Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you something from Hack the Box. Hack the Box is a couple of challenges that you can find on their website. You can register there free or pay them and become a subscribed member if you don't know about it. Hack the Box, you can search for HTV or Hack the Box and you should find a good material on the network. So recently they retired their obscurity box. There was a crypto in this challenge. The crypto is very easy to decode. Basically, if you know enough about crypto, then you will be able to find out the key um, without brute forcing the password. But if you don't know about much about crypto, then probably you will have to brute force the password your way in. And in this challenge, basically, there is already the crypto script that is already provided to you. So this is a known plain text crypto challenge. So there is a out file which is given to you, there is a in file which is given to you, and there is a Python script which is given to you. And you have to find out the password for used, and with this password you can decrypt the password reminder file. So this was a very interesting crypto challenge. But just in case you didn't know how to reverse the key without brute forcing it, then it was an interesting challenge to fix. I'll tell you why. Okay, so this is the regular Python script that is provided with it. I can run the Python script with Python 3 secure super secure script.py -h. So I can give a in file, I can give a out file, I can give a key, and I can give the decrypt mode for decrypting it. So I started this with something very simple to crack this as usual, and this is what I did. So basically you can see that I created a test.txt here from RockQ just to give you an idea of how long or how short it will take to decrypt this. RockQ will probably take a very huge time to show you here in the video. So this is a very small file that I have created from RockQ, and then I am just decrypting my out.text, which is the encrypted file, to a.text. I am doing a diff between a.text and check.text. Check.text is the original file which was encrypted using a key. If I don't find a match, then I simply print the number, and if I find that there is no difference, then I say that I found a password and exit. So pretty straightforward. We can see wc -l test.txt. It's about 14,000 words, so it should not really take a huge amount of time. Let's get going. If I run this, as you can see, it's going pretty fast. It's probably taking less than 1 second per guess. But when you have more than million passwords to crack, this might seem very slow to you. So we should pretty soon see that we will get the password here. And since this was taking a lot of time this way, so I started getting thinking into how to make this faster. So before we get into how to make this faster, I'll show you how much time this took. This took about 37 seconds to crack the password. Okay. Now I modified the original Python script to script.py. I'll give -d -i is out.text. This is the input file that we are using, and minus key I'll give anything. It doesn't matter. I can give any key here. Doesn't matter. minus o, I'll give uh, some junk file name, and we'll also run it with time command to see how soon or slower this can crack, and then we will get into details of what is the difference and what we are doing here. So let's run this, and it runs below zero point 0.1 seconds and finds the same password at nearly the same place, because you can see that I have gone up to 500 here, and here we had found the word in 530. So the difference is amazingly huge, and now we will get into why. So if I go into crypt.py, what I have done here is I went into the decrypt function, and I uh, opened my word list here itself, rather than relying on reading it from outside. I read the word list into lines, and for each of the line, I am just calling the decrypt function again and again, or rather, I am actually calling this decrypt routine that was being done earlier here, and I am just checking if I am finding my string in the decrypted string. If I find it, I am saying that I have found the key. Now, what really matters here is that here I am not opening the file again and again, test.txt. Secondly, and more importantly, I am not running Python command again and again. In the same Python script, I am doing this, and hence this makes this amazingly fast. So the only thing that I am doing in the loop is this, and this should not actually take any time for Python to execute. And this is what gives you the benefit of running this script so fast. So thanks all. I hope you will learn something from this, and this will give you some ideas about what you can change in your scripts if you want to do some password cracking or brute forcing for some passwords. Thank you. Thank you again.